How to use the new Royal Analyzer. Royal Analyzer Basic. The following is a detailed explanation of how to use the imaging device Royal Analyzer Basic. This modern imaging device has been produced and designed in the best American factories with the best techniques. First, we noticed that the main unit and the result screen have been installed on it, where the tablet and connecting things were cancelled from the device. And we can notice scanning programs buttons in addition to sound buttons on the main unit. The device's handle contains the power switch and the start button. After connecting the main power and switching it on from an external battery, we turn on the main switch on the handle of the device. The device and the screen will be turned on together. The lights will turn blue for a few seconds, then turn off. The red light will remain as proof of the device's power access, and the device will be ready to work. After running the program automatically, we can see the following: Ground Scan Program 3D, the most comprehensive and used. Live Scan Program, Sonar Program. Both the programs Live and Sonar fall under the Live Scan program, but with different technology. Settings. Through it, you can choose the appropriate language, and it is available in several languages, including English, French. As the time and date are set, and it is an important point because the time and date of the image is associated with it during storage. Also, we can clearly control and illuminate the screen. At the top of the screen, you can see the back icon and the icon confirming the program connection to the device. How to use the device. There is some information the user should know it. For live scanning and sonar, they can be used live. But if you want to use a ground scan 3D, the flash memory must be connected to the device in order to be stored on it, and the program will not work without it. It is preferable to use the live scanning program when you want to scan large distances. It is also preferable to use the sonar scanning program when searching for large targets and caves before running a 3D ground scanning to save time and ease to search. Live Scan Program. After turning on the device and adjusting the settings, we open the sensors vertically on the ground to send searching signals 20 centimeters above the ground. After that, we touch Live Scan button on the screen and press Live Scan button on the device and wait for 10 seconds for ground balance. Then we scan the area where we can notice the image directly during the search. We can return and end the search by pressing the return key at the top left on the screen and the back button on the device. Live Scan Program by Sonar Technique. The searching steps in this program are the same as live scan steps, where the program is selected from the screen and press Live Scan button in the device panel, then ground balance for the device, finally start searching. What distinguishes this program is that when we see a target on the screen, we can preview the image directly on the screen by pressing back button on the device panel. To exit the program, we touch back button on the screen. Ground Scan Program 3D. You can notice that there are two ways for searching from device panel: automatic and manual. We start with automatic scan. Before starting, as we explained earlier, the flash memory must be connected to the device because the program will not respond if it is not inserted. After confirming the flash memory connection, we select the 3D Ground Scan program. After touching the program icon, you will see two windows. A specialized window for search, and the second is specialized for images stored on memory, where you can select any image, open it, and preview its contents. For any scan process, we click New Scan window, then the program will open, and we choose how many steps and lines we want to scan. After that, we choose scanning method, either one direction or two. Then, touch the Start button on screen and choose from the top of the screen the type of soil to be scanned for accuracy in result and depth. Then we open sensors vertically close to the ground, 20 centimeters above the ground. Preferably, scanning from north to south for easy signal capture. After that, we click Automatic Scan button on the main device panel and start searching. When we complete the scan, the storage icon appears at the top left of the screen, indicating that the scan is complete, where we can save image on flash memory and analyze it anytime. Press back button on the device to end the scan process. Image analysis. When you preview the image, you can see the following colors: red, orange, yellow, dark blue, light blue, and green. The red color is a symbol of metals in general. Orange and yellow for metals and mineral soil. Dark blue color for caves and voids, and light blue to determine the border of caves. It also symbolizes the green color of the soil. You can zoom in and out the image by hand for easy analysis. You can also move the image to preview it in 3D form and return to the original image. To determine the depth of any point on the image, we click that point twice, and at the bottom left of the screen, you will view the depth, element ID, and longitudinal coordinates for the desired point. Manual scan. It is similar to automatic scan steps, but we need to press the button below the handle for each step until the end of the scan. There are some icons on the top of the screen, especially for closing the program: storage, remove effects of the image, filtering, increase the intensity of the image, and controlling the 3D image. Notes. You can see any image stored on a flash memory when you open the 3D scanner program, where you can select an image and open it. You can clean the flash memory by connecting it to any computer and delete its contents. You can notice the battery's indicator when it turns on in several colors, referring to the charging value: green, blue, red. it is better to use it when the indicator color is green. To close the device, after finishing work, go to close icon, touch it, and wait until the red light is turned off on the device. Then close the device from the main key in the handle, and finally disconnect the battery. For any further